The flap is finished. At the moment it looks a bit weird, but we need to still graft the pocket. We'll make something that is similar to a tubular cast off. It is grafting for double knit edges, because these are, as the name says, there's two pieces of fabric. We actually have now on a needle something like a tube, and after grafting these stitches together, it will be looking like this flap is actually continuous. I will cut my yarn, but first I will measure out 4 times the length of the area that is to be grafted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I always add about 1 length more, just to be on the true side. We need a tapestry needle, and we will start with the grafting. First, a preparation for the first 2 stitches, which is purl in the knit stitch, or go with the needle purlwise into the first knit stitch, and in the purl stitch we want to go knitwise. For this we go from the back around the stitch so that we can insert the needle knitwise into it. Since this is my yarn tail, it had a bit of slack, I'm just pulling it a bit. So, now for the actual grafting. The knit stitch, the first one, we go in knitwise, pull it off. In the next knit stitch we see we go purlwise with our tapestry needle. In the first purl stitch we go in purlwise, take it off. In the second one we go in knitwise. We do the same as before with the tapestry needle. And we pull taut, not too much. Again, knitwise, first knit stitch, purlwise, second knit stitch, purlwise, first purl stitch, knitwise, second purl stitch. Here I tried to bring the yarn nicely on top like this. I can immediately adjust the tension so that it looks good. And like this I continue with all the stitches to the end. Already you can see how my graft is not only connecting the stitches, but looking as if it's a seamless knit front to back. Last 4 stitches, knitwise, first knit stitch, purlwise, second stitch, purlwise and knit, and here for the very last I just knitwise take off and purlwise off. This is a bit wonky. As we see, it's a good thing I counted out 5 times before counting out how much yarn I need. Next time I need to pull my stitches a bit. They were too narrow, I guess, but thankfully I added 1 more length. This, which is wonky, I will first get rid of this extra slack, because after sewing it on it will be harder. I do this by passing this longer stitch at the very end, not the grafted one, but the actual stitch. It had more slack than I would like. As you see, I was able to make it look quite good. Now I look where this wants to go. I want to hide it inside. Let's just pull it out here. And now, since this is a tube, it's very easy to hide the ends. I'll just pull it out further away, and here I can cut.